right, guys, we've been talking to you about timeline and process. The biggest thing is getting stuck. Where to start, how to go, what to do, what to take, what to, not to take, who to call. That
That's
question's
us.
easy. Yeah, that's easy. Um, but just whenever you get stuck, take a deep breath and remember what you want at the end versus what do you want now.
Exactly. Taking that time out for yourself and just clearing your mind for a minute, coming back fresh is what it really starts to fall into place.
Yes. And if you, and again, just deep breath. Glass of wine doesn't hurt either, but yeah, just limit it to one. Okay. Uh, and yeah, okay. And not one bottle, but yeah. So that's going to be your biggest challenge is every now and then you get overwhelmed and it's okay. I did too. Um, there may or may not have been at least one moment where I sat in the middle of the floor crying my eyes out, feeling overwhelmed. And I do this every day. So you are too. And when you do, you pick up the phone, you call, we talk it through, and we put you on the right path to where you're not feeling so overwhelmed. And if necessary, I show up in jeans and tennis shoes and help you get through that next step. Okay? You got this. I swear. You'll be fine.
Yep. We'll get you through it.
Yeah. All right. Next time, guys. Bye.